Importing and exporting entities via CSV files works very similar to intent. When you select one or more entities by checking off the check marks next to them, you will offer the ability to export them to a CSV. Likewise, you can import them by clicking the Import Entities button next to Create Entity. So let's try. Okay. For your own convenience, and I will upload some text files on my YouTube channel. Then you can download it and just save it in the name of CSV, and then it will work. See? Successful. And then click done. Okay, then you should see some two new entities. We'll use these two entities later on in the chatbot. For now, this will serve as a good exercise on importing entities. The only real difference you need to be aware of as far as importing goes lies in the structure of the CSV file. For intent, it was example intent. Entities can optionally have synonyms and patterns as well, so the structure is different. If you open the CSV file I provided you with, you will notice that each line has the entity name first. See? Entity name first, followed by a value, followed by a comma separate list of synonyms. If you have, if any have been provided for that entity value. If a pattern is specified instead, it will also appear here. Okay, check it. This is it.